Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss a letter of intent updates and the issues regarding the offer letter and date of joining. If your interview is done in the February batch, then this video is for you. Many of the candidates are getting letter of intents from the February batch, and in this video we will discuss about the offer status problem and what to do if you have got the letter of intent from Cognizant. Many of these candidates of this batch have started receiving the letter of intent. The Cognizant generally make the delay in releasing the results of interviews, but now they are releasing the letter of intent in batches. They do not send a letter of intent at time to everyone. If you had offer status on your Superset portal, then this is a positive sign that you will get the offer from Cognizant. Now let's see what does LOI actually means. LOI stands for letter of intent. It means a provisional selection. It's a good news for you. Once the internal approvals are done, then only you will get the offer letter from Cognizant. A lot of candidates are waiting for offer letter, even they are from December and January batch, and some of the candidates are waiting for their revised date of joining, about when will they get the date of joining and the time period. So I just want to confirm that after the letter of intent, it generally take 2.5 months to get the offer letter, and this data is based on the previous timetables, time period between letter of intent and offer letter. Newly candidates get panic after receiving the offer letter and they don't know what the process they have to follow. So they likely ask the question, when I will get the date of joining, what will be the location, will they call or send the email, how to join, and about venue. So this is the actual process that you can see from the letter of intent to date of joining. First you will receive LOI, then you have to accept this. If the demands require information, then you have to fill this. Some internal approval will happen after your acceptance of letter of intent. Then they will release the offer letter. Then you have to complete your background verification, and after this all the process you will get the date of joining, and before the 3 days of your date of joining you will receive the onboarding pass. And make sure that if you have any mistake in your documents, that may lead to delay in your onboarding. If you have any queries about your document verification and any other queries about your onboarding, then please join the Telegram group. You will get the link for this Telegram group in the about section of this channel. As per the previous data, and my timeline between the offer letter and letter of intent is around 1 month. I'm telling you before, based on this, based on my experience and data. If you are selected and waiting for the date of join, then you must follow these things. You should keep upskilling yourself. Focus on improving communication skills and confidence building, because in the training because the training period is 4 months, and they generally focus on confidence and how the communication skill is. LOI is positive sign, as we know, and this means that 100% you will get the offer from Cognizant. And be ready with your documents and make sure that you should not have any mistake in your PAN card, that name in the PAN card and name on the other documents. You must have all documents available to upload on the one Cognizant portal when they demands. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and subscribe the channel for latest updates.